Uh, hi. Where's the camera here? I'm using a slightly different setup today, so sorry for the bumping noises and stuff. I just wanted to push my camera further out, but it doesn't seem to work very well now. Let's just move it even further. The camera is here. This goes up, down. Yeah, I think that's a good one. No, almost. Yeah. Yes. Okay, now this. And if I no, is it good? Left. Ah. Second try. I got this light here that I'm gonna attach my camera to, and it will record me almost without falling down. Almost. So I just need to move slightly to the left. No, too far. Slightly to the right, actually. Oh, and I'm in the middle now. Good. So I think we are ready. Select a stream, refresh, live coding. Yeah, go. Let's just update my to-dos. So let's show my to-dos for lunch. Yeah, it's live. I don't need to draw. Launch text. Okay, that one is on. So yesterday we decided that we have to do more to-dos today. And I just have like an hour because I have a job interview for this some Norwegian company. I don't know what's the name. And I don't know if I'm gonna take it, although I just want to be safe. And if it goes well, I might actually ignore the Google interview, which is actually on Thursday, which I don't know if I want to do. Like they are doing this silly tests on add product form. Okay. Within the product form, customer assigned from list. Okay, product form assign from list. Good. That's option 1. Same products. Add products. Oh, also products table. Customer from list. Basically, we have a backend list from the backend of all the customers, and we can just pass it to the dropdown. Create delivery. Customers should be sorted and have search. Create delivery form should sort and okay, form list. Okay, customers should be sorted and have search. We do that everywhere actually. It should be. Let's not find the one on Upwork. I kind of looked yesterday. Didn't really find anything useful. Good to go. Didn't find anyone useful, so I just did like AI agent and her name was Hope, and Hope read very nicely. I kind of liked it, so I'm just gonna keep it for now, and then maybe one day I will make even more expensive or better video for that. I think it's German translation. Okay, no. Product sorting, not okay. In products, product table sorting not working. Okay, to be fixed. Fix German translations. Fix German translations. Long list, I can see, long list, but I think we can do it today. I have plenty of time. I have most of the day except the 1 hour interview. Reports still not working for current month. Yeah, I think that's and I have some notes here. Oh yeah, no notes I can ignore. So yeah, that the longest list. The list is long of to-dos, and actually there is a because like with reports, I wanted to show them on my sales video. Let's try to finish sales video. Okay, let's just actually I will just hide this list to use, and I will just occasionally show them because you know it's actually covering quite a lot of the screen. Yeah, and it might actually be harder to see see things for you guys. So I think like let's just hide to-dos for now. We are live. Hello, welcome to my podcast number 2000 or something. I don't know, I'm not counting. They're just, you know, I just do them. And I don't know if it's a podcast actually, if you're just talking. I think it's talking video head. That's probably what I would call it. Yeah, so I have less than an hour, 59 minutes exactly. Oh, nice to see your love, dude. I love you too. Let's just have more love here. Yeah, you're loving, I'm loving, good. Nice to see you. Oh, wow, you're kinda, it's not your first time, is it? Yeah, you've been actually spamming my chats quite often, dude. You've been here, it's not your first time. Nice to see you again. Thanks for coming, and thanks for your hearts and loves and stuff. I think I should think of a poll for today. Yesterday was a nice one about whether you ever fought for a girl, and no one said the yes. No one fought actually. So that was actually very related, obviously, to what we are doing. Do you prefer working on tiny tasks or big task? Fixing when developing things. Prefer, yes, prefer. Big. Yeah, let's see what you prefer. I actually prefer to, depending on the task. This obviously depends whether I'm actually, like, who I'm working with also. Sometimes you just don't want to speak to the people you work with, and you just want to hide behind this big task and tell them to fuck off. And sometimes, you know, when the project is run well, you just like to have those small tasks. You know, so I think it's always like, even if you get like a big task, it's good to divide it into smaller pieces. So today, as I've got plenty of to-dos to actually go through, and these are them. Did I copy them to here? Okay, so let's hide this part, and let's so product form assign customer from the list. So basically it's a bug that I just realized yesterday, and when we have a form for products, yeah, I'm live, I know I'm live. So when we have a products, let's see if I'm logged in still. No, I'm not. Yeah, let's see here. So we have products. Basically, this list is connected, good. But when we add a product, it doesn't. We should have. Oh, okay. Categories are also something that we have in our backend, so we could actually connect that as well. So let's just write this as well. Products table, categories. Products categories, customers. So category, customers, and producer should be assigned from backend. Categories, producer. Yeah, okay. And actually producers are suppliers, so there shouldn't be... producer should be renamed to supplier. That makes sense. Producer, customer. Good. Quantity, palette info. Okay, let's just do that. So this is we are prompt away, or 2 prompts away from that. Oh, hi there. Hi there, bye there. You prefer small, yes. You are not able to sign in still. Like, okay. Did you get confirmation email when you signed up? Did you get confirmation email? Because that's where you get actually login details. And it's actually, it's very confusing, I would say, because I used to have like a sign up where you would put your password, but if you are using Stripe, you're actually forced to use their passwords, and then you can change them later. Yeah, and when you log in with your email, it doesn't let you in. So in the email, it's actually your username is email. So I actually modified my sign up form as well. So it doesn't ask you for a username, I think, and you don't have to put password. It's just like you're signing up with the there's a message saying that you will be assigned a password from Stripe, I guess. So that's how it actually works now. Okay, so I will actually let's do. Yeah, you wanna manage your deliveries, don't you? You can't wait to start managing your deliveries, and you're not able to. Okay, I think there is a. Yeah, this is about reports. That still doesn't seem to work. Okay, I'll just make a branch out of it and just start working on that branch. Reports, work in progress. Let's create a branch actually, like totally new. Create a branch. I think my prod is actually something that I was pushing to it yesterday quite heavily. So it's not very Git flow friendly. I mean, I think like any DevOps or like any proper project manager, maybe not project manager, like architect would really hate me for what I'm doing, but I don't know. I think I'm happy. I'm happy with the way the things work. Okay, let's just make a new one. Various. No, I don't know. No, I don't know how to say like miscellaneous. I never know how to write this. So I don't know, just different stuff. Fixed. I hope. Let's hope it's going to be fixed by the end of the day. Okay, so yeah, it should be in the email. So like when you sign up, the details are in the email. But like if it doesn't work, then I will have to test it again. Thanks for that. Thanks for checking it for me. I appreciate that. I will probably have to do like a good, huge round of testing before maybe tomorrow, and get back to fixing, getting bugs again fixed. But let's fix this bug. I mean, it's not a bug really. Like you just basically they should be connected, and categories we have in the backend. So let's just give it to AI Lords and let's see what it does with it. Okay, so let's change this into a proper prompt. So now, without further ado, in product forms, in my product, create product form, I should be able to assign a customer I don't know if it matters, if grammar matters here, from a list, from backend. Same with categories. that we define have the in settings, and this should settings rename to suppliers, reduce it to supplier, and connect it to supplier list as well. Yeah, let's see. Okay, AI, help me, save me, AI. I reset my password. Still, I'm not able to sign in. I'm not joking. I can share. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Let's do that. Can I invite you to the chat? You wanna? Can I do that? Let's go to channel. Pin message. Put user in timeout. No. I as a moderator. I wonder if I like how to actually. But probably I have to use some different software, and I'm not really familiar with that. But yeah, if you can send me screenshots to my email, it's I think actually let's just do gmail.com. Just send them to me. I will actually have a look, and which address it's on. Yeah. So thank you very much for testing it. Seriously, I really love that. And if you can also tell me on which environment you are testing it, so I can. Oh, no music today. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I think I should be a bit more. Yeah. Okay, this one I keep on playing, but I like it. So let's just let's just. Okay, we'll increase it here and decrease it here. Yeah, a bit less. Yeah, okay, so let's just... yeah, thank you. Yeah, thanks for that. I will actually investigate it, because this is... There is a round of testing I really have to do, and I didn't do properly. So there is a round of testing still waiting for it to happen, and I think that I will actually find some crazy stuff. And I think you are just finding some crazy stuff as well, so thanks for that. Thanks for checking it for me. Okay. But now I have to get this actually running. So I will actually fix a couple of my things, then I will test. I will actually do some testing from what you are actually doing. So that will be cool. Backend. Python. Manage by run server cd web in behind off. Yeah. Okay. Continue Copilot work. Yes, work until you finish Copilot. Don't you even dare to tell me that you're actually tired. Now just finish your job, finish your work, and don't even come back to me without. Okay, let's just again post. No? Maybe one actually here. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's different. Yeah, I definitely have still some issues with my sign-up process. And the horrible thing is actually, that's probably one of the things that I noticed. Come on. What's the password? Maybe this one? No. Shit, like what's... Where's my login? What's my login here? Come on, log in. 0. Oh, because I have... Yeah, 0 probably here. Is it? Hold on. So I know there was an account I actually had one. Okay, actually, maybe this one? This would be good to have like a list, like a piece of paper where I'm actually writing which are my logins. That would be great. Because otherwise I'm just like I'm just doing stupid. Yeah, go on. Do stuff. AI. Yeah, update things. Good. Ah, come on. Go on. Or is my backend on? Oh, actually, maybe my backend is on. Yeah, my backend is broken. Okay. Oh no, just login. Okay. How do I... yeah, I think I will have to go into admin. So it's localhost 1000. Admin. Yeah, okay, I have users here, I forgot. So many of them. Let's change this one's password. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Yeah, fine. Okay, take me live. Okay, add form. So select a category, no categories. Select customers, no customers. Okay, let's just hope that this is... No, this is not backend. Okay, let's just... Yeah, okay, the lists are empty, that's okay. It's a stop forward, so like it gave me those drop downs, which is good. Okay, yeah, I will check my email. Invite credentials. Okay, which environment is it? Which environment? Okay. Don't know. Okay, I will have to investigate. So yeah, thanks for testing that for me. And this is me actually with money, with real money. And okay, I'm still... Yeah, thanks for that, dude. Let's just go back to AI, lords. AI, lords. I don't like this one actually. Okay, let's play next one. I think this one is prettier. Yeah, more power. More energy here. This is good. Yeah, okay, let's just see how my AI is helping me or hindering me. Because basically I'm kind of expecting a list here. Although... Whoa! So much error. So many errors. Oh, because I have nothing in... Okay, yeah. I have no defined categories, I guess. Oh, there are customers, there are suppliers. Let's see my categories. Yeah, categories. Add category. Yeah, okay, just add category. Oh, okay, I've got furniture. Okay. 81 products are using them. Okay, so I have to reassign. Oh, okay, so like if I want to delete one that there is no... Okay, let's say it. Let's say it for now. So... Ooh, okay, now it's actually doing something silly. So no, I don't want to do that. Oh, okay, now I want to do that. Yes, this is correct. Yeah, okay. Add product. Select category, no categories. Okay, yes, but like so this should select customer and select supplier should also include search and the list should be selected by okay, that's a next prompt. You're one prompt away from this thing. Check your email. Thank you. Yeah, so next we have a list here. That's a kind of success. Nice. Although I don't really like the fact that there is no list. Yes. Oh, okay. I think it actually figured it out. Good. But it needs to check it obviously because like this is you know I want to. He wants to use more of my credits. He wants to spend more of my money, which I appreciate. Thank you. Thank you, Copilot, for using my credits wisely. Because like you obviously have to check your object and then like... Yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, but then... this as well, and categories. Oh, okay, I do have categories. That's nice. Yes, okay, so I have categories if I want to. This should have lists. And other than that, I'm happy. A success. A success. Well, let's call it like a first after many successes today. And I need to open DaVinci Resolve. So yeah, that's gonna be a first one. I think that will be a first one. Then once we have actually, okay, let's just check if it did my search. No, DaVinci. I don't need you. Now, is my search working now? Yeah, good. Okay, now it's actually dying a bit. Yeah, obviously it's actually just like the Copilot is redoing, almost refactoring my code. Hey man, what are you building right now? Oh, that's a good question. Good question for another day. As they do it in Star Wars. You know, you remember the Star Wars? There was the lady with two assholes on her instead of eyes. And like when they asked her, where did you get lightsaber? She just said, good question for another time. That's probably what I should say. I'm basically building like a delivery system for deliveries actually. Yeah, so like when you are a supplier and you supply things from one place to other, you might use that kind of system, or you might use Excel. Ask your friends to help you with signing problem. I have no friends, dude. I have family. I just spend. No, the thing is like I don't feel like there is a much broken. You know, I just need to do proper testing, and I think I will just AI the rest. Yeah. So I just need to AI that bit because I think it's almost there. You know, there might be some small issue where you sign up, and because I've got like double process, I've got Stripe that is actually doing some bits, and I've got my Django that is doing some stuff as well, and there is obviously React frontend that also might actually be yeah. Let's make some hearts. Yeah. So there might be that kind of stuff. AI clipping software. I really need help. What are you clipping with this AI? Is this for videos? Because I might use one to build it. What does clipping means? Yeah, I was actually wondering, like, is this for like clipping videos, for shorts or stuff? Because that's actually something that I tested today, and I created one short with one of those. And I found actually one that I was thinking about running, but it's a long hours basically. Like because they are paid, and I was checking the free one. So if this is what you are talking about, I might actually be your customer one day. But if AI clipping is something different, which I don't understand, which is very likely, then you have to explain yourself. Are you working or are you broken? Let's see where we are working or broken. Yeah, okay. No, I think we should have it. I think it should work. Is this not working now? Are you broken? Let's see my... Oh, some backend. Oh, what's your back? Okay. So that's an easy one. So the lovely thing about AI is you just copy and paste it. I don't even have to read it. I can already see that it doesn't, like it's in different folder. It's probably one level up or down. Actually, let's just do a prop. Like, I can I can fix my code. Add product form. Go away. Add product form. And there is something here in this line. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, actually, it's still wondering if it should use it. Is this working? But this is never read, so we don't need it anyway. Yeah, so why do you even complain? Just throw it away and stop complaining. Yeah, you don't need that. Ah, what's wrong here? Okay, let's just try to run backend and frontend again. There seems to be something silly. Okay. Add product form. Yeah, okay. But this is it one up, one down? Fucking hell. Where is it? Okay, let's just find CN where it's actually, and let's just find if, okay, here. Now value here. Where's CN? It's Shad's CN. Fucking hell. I hate this. I hate this environment. Like, totally. I'm not a big fan. CN. Yeah. Let's see if I... Come on, point me to it. Like, where the hell is this CN? Ah. Come on, give me suggestions. VS Code, why? Like, is this like, is all your power, is all your thinking, like processing power goes to AI now? Because like, I don't really, okay, let's just, utils, class names. Is this here? No. Okay, let's just, no. Utils. Maybe it's in utils here. I've got probably plenty of utils here everywhere. Yeah, okay, maybe. Is this there? Can you see it? Yes, we can see it. Good. Yeah, okay, so we have it here. Is my sorting working now? No, sorting is not working. I'll have to fix that. Categories, good. This is nice. Although, like, yeah, okay. In customers and suppliers. In customers and suppliers. Now, all on the list are ticked, but it. So all of them are selected basically. Let's see what I. Common item. I have tick item next to it, yes. copy element. Let's just do that. Tick. Tick. Of only selected. It's on this item. Yeah, let's see if it's figured it out. Anything? Ooh, 11 people! Wow! I will feel so bad about leaving today. Okay, let's see what's on the chat. What's on the chat? What does AI mean clipping? Okay, you buy. If I go for study in India, we write lines of code on sheet of paper, and then teacher allows us to use computer if the code is right. This is precious, like very useful. This is really great teaching. This is like a peak teaching, you know. Yeah. Hi, I'm new here. What are you creating? I'm creating a magic, dude. I'm creating magic. It's a SaaS application for managing deliveries, basically. And if you wanna know more, yeah, okay, I know. Thank you. Lives at. I should do that. You are right. You are right. Who's this guy? I think I've seen you before, did I? Andrea Illich. Yeah. I fixed. That's fixed. Thanks. Subbed. Yeah, good. Good to see you. I love subs. Like, I think I might actually get new record today. More than 20 in 24 hours. That would be a day. Imagine me having 20 subscribers in a day, or like 21. Because I can't crack 20. I couldn't crack 20 for a long time, and I think I'm gonna do it today. So it's gonna be first day when I'll get to more than 20 subscribers. And I was like, I'm an experienced YouTuber with almost a month of experience, and I couldn't crack 20. So like today is gonna be a day when I will get 21 or 22. So thanks for that. Nice to see you did. So yeah, we are building this, vibe coding this, and playing some good Polish traditional folk music with some pretty girls. But this is something that we shouldn't really worry about. We don't really care about those girls. We care about software. We care mostly about software. Girls are icky. We don't want them now, at least. Not when we are writing software, because then we will get distracted easily. And even we won't be able to tell AI what to actually fix, because my stupid AI thinks that the fact that there is a check here, tick here, it's good, but it's not. Okay, let's see in my components. What's the name of this item? Command item? Is this? Yeah. I can't see any props that would actually say that it's checked. Okay, so there's check. Yeah, there's check. Okay, let's just go. Let's do good old-fashioned thing like people used to do in the past, that they would actually find their component in the code and try to fix them themselves, like without really AI. So I might actually do that. Unless, are you gonna? Yeah. So let's just try to do that. Command item for change. Once in a while, I will actually do some programming here. I didn't know. Oh, is there like no such command group? Okay, so focus. Yeah, I love React. It's actually creating all of this. Popover content. Okay. So we got this popover that is here, popover, and it's even higher. We are looking for something even higher than this. Oh, where is the component it's in? Dialog content. Okay. Add product form. Okay, but this is a big component. Context provider. Okay. No, I think I'm going too high up. Yeah, let's just try this to find this one. Am I like that? Did I just because I'm not writing too much code in last few months. Did I forget how to program? Is this possible? I think I might have forgotten how to program things. So like AI to my integrate Whisper AI to my site. That's a good type thing. That sounds cool. I don't know Whisper AI. What's Whisper AI about? Are you able to help me with Python? No, I'm not able to help with Python. I'm really struggling with my problems, and yeah, unless you know, I have to build my projects and basically make money to feed my kids. So yeah, that's why I'm gonna say no, unfortunately. But I could like kind of actually help with your project. I think it sounds cool. And I could like this is a most popular poll as well. Most of the people prefer small um, tasks. Makes sense, obviously. It's just easier to actually organize in your head. Uh, yeah. Yeah, good luck with your project, but unfortunately I'm not going to help you with it. But you might find people in this chat that will actually help you. That might want to write code if you convince them that it's a good idea. Like who, me or like someone else? I'm not. Sorry. Um, it's not like I don't like you or anything, but I just have other things to do. And there's probably a billion people that I could be writing software for, and like some of them would actually even pay me. Many of them would like to pay me as well. But I just want to build my own, and I actually love to build it myself. But now I just have to find what is this component. Okay, command group. Let's see what component is it. Primitive div, command group, command list. Do I have a component like that, or is this is probably from some other library? That's why. So it's a product form, and here I do have some sort of, let's see where my tick is. Command list. Oh yeah, I do have it. Command item. Okay, so this is it. And this is from Shad. Okay, that's why. That's why it's on shit. No, it's a good library. And this is actually like additional thing that's. But I don't see anything that would be. Yeah, I don't. Okay, let's see. Item. It's really like the. What I hate about the, like, at least because I don't know it that well, I guess. But I'm not a big fan of Tailwind and all the shards and stuff. Is because like when you're looking for props, where the hell are props? So they're not here. They're not here. They're not here. Where the hell are props for this item? I want to have command item props. So what prop do I actually pass in order for it to highlight? And I don't know. Like it doesn't fucking tell me. So this is actually something I don't know. Maybe I just don't know how to work with Tailwind, but that's what I hate. It's so much easier when you just have like normal component where it just says on click and other props. Just wherever the props that you actually use. Select active, yeah, and then then you just see it. Okay, is it active? This is how I kind of got used to working. And now it's just like there's this thing called magic. There's this thing that they actually have to have the command item. Yeah, so obviously probably this is in props here, but where the hell are my props? This is all any obviously. Where the hell are those props? Where are they? How do I find them? For fuck's sake, like it's why do we have even TypeScript if this is how it actually works? If you can't check your props for the your interface, or maybe someone here knows how to check your interface for this shard thing. No, okay. If anyone knows how to check interfaces for shard, then I would be happy because wherever it's in props, it's a magic basically. This is a magic. So I can obviously go to the internet and find it out, but this is not helping really. They tell me that This shot CN is so much better than wherever Bootstrap, you know, or than Material UI, and it's not. It's actually going to be more annoying because they actually made all the smart things that, you know, to make it work with this stupid Tailwind, and it's not actually. It's just complicating it more, in my opinion. It's just like more crap. Like, and the component is this long. It seems to be smart, but it's smartly written, but it's not actually. So no, you're not gonna get me on that. So command input, command list, command end, command group. Okay, command separator. So like the this silly thing about is it selected? Selected true. Yeah. Okay. And I don't know what's happening here. You know. Because it's a wrapper of a wrapper of a wrapper of a wrapper, you know, like everything is a wrapper of something, and then abstraction of something, and then you don't really know where you are, you know, you don't know what you're working with. There's no interface to check. Yeah, but like look here, like do I have an interface here? Yeah, I have an interface. I can check that. It's so easy. And this is just like an icon. I don't expect it to have a good interface. Like see here, this is a good interface I can work with. This is something I understand. And like this shot thing, like it's such a shit thing. Shit, shit. I hate it. Yeah, this is still I'm not a big fan of this. Because this could be equally, this could just say any. But no, we're gonna just write everything here. We're gonna write every possible value except any. uh, what was I, what was my gripe about? Don't understand everything. Yeah, you don't have to. Like it's basically I'm building a SaaS product with React and Python. I'm playing Polish traditional folk music. Both things are important, but still learning new stuff. I'm making bank management system today on Java. Ooh, that sounds actually fun. I had Java on uni and I kind of almost failed. I hardly passed Java, and like at first I was really good at it. And then after, like in the middle of the semester, I just like got so tired of Java because we had C++ earlier. And, like, I didn't like Java. I don't know why. It was I think it was actually better than C++, at least. But I just kind of because C++ was my first, I preferred it. But let's not talk about that. I think it's Java is good. Java makes people happy. Especially when it's JavaScript, actually. Yeah, Java when it's JavaScript. This is the best. The best part of Java is script. Yeah, good to see you, dude. Yeah, you are new. Good. Okay, back to my app. Back to my app. Most of the people like small things, like small tasks. Good. Me too. It was an easy, simple question that 14 people answered. Actually, I'm gonna make another poll, although I will have to leave in like 10 minutes. Start poll. This is actually a poll I did already, so like I just want to check it again and again and again because I have this suspicion. I don't want to suggest something that are paid AI agents better than free. Yeah, this is a question that I already asked a couple of times in different forms, but I think I do have my opinion that I don't know. Go away. Can I? Fucking hell! Stop adding options. Yeah, no. Go away. Yes, start poll. Sub, do you really like German nature? Simple guy. Yeah, no, I'm so complex, you know. See, it's not only programming, but it's also traditional Polish folk. And if you guys have like your folk music, just let me know. I will play it in the background. The good thing is like I can play this stuff and it's reality free, you know. So if I play other music, it's just gonna block my video unless I just write like a generic YouTube music, you know, like background music, and then there will be royalty free stuff. But this is this is real, and yeah, so some half of you, like, it's 50-50. Yeah, my suspicion about the AI agent, and this is actually something I will have to make into video, is the paid ones are not better. And you just like tell yourself that they're better, you just pretend that they're better, but they're in fact, you just paid money, so you just think that you're actually getting something more. Like, for example, when you're actually buying like an expensive car, you know, it costs 3 times, like let's say you're buying a new BMW, and there is you had your old Peugeot, wherever, Citroen, you had your own Citroen, and your own Citroen was working well, and it actually had some some good electronics, and then you bought new BMW, which has the same electronics, bit newer, it has a bit newer dashboard, you're paying 3 times as much, obviously, and then you have to just explain yourself why are you paying 3 times as much. And the reason is that, one, it's status, so you just want to show it to your neighbors. You know, your neighbors are driving BMWs or Porsches or Mercedes, so you just have to stick. You know, you just have to buy an expensive car. So but there's really nothing better in this new BMW than your old Citroen. That's the same with AI agents. You know, when you pay extra, you are not really getting extra. That's what I'm actually seeing. And like my favorite agent here, like it's funny. I mean, one of my favorite agents is, okay, Claude Sonnet is good. I like Grok Code Fast 1. It's decent. Like basically most of the time, it's not actually agent. It's you actually giving him too little information. It's actually you have to feed some extra. You have to check logs, you have to send like what's the output, what errors you are getting. You have to just feed that into any of those agents and they will actually figure it out. They will actually solve it for you. But if you just give it like fix me this, then all of them will struggle. And sometimes then like the expensive one, maybe somehow the Claude Opus, which is 3 times more expensive than Claude Sonnet for some reason. I don't know, I didn't even try it. Sometimes it might actually figure it out, but sometimes it's not. And like sometimes you're just gonna flip between them and like one gets lucky. And I think this ends up to be just luck. Unless you feed it enough information, then any of them can figure it out. So yeah, that's my spiel about that. And as we can see, some people see the difference, some people don't. Some people think it's a BMW that it's worth paying extra for, and some think it's just Citroen but with different budget. Your old Citroen with different budget. Opacity 0. Perfect. No, it's not working. No, it's not working. It's still showing the tick icon. Do it with style. Don't use tailwind for it. Tailwind is shit. Use normal style. In this case, don't rewrite my tailwind, please. But it's just like sometimes I just have to force it with some style, and this is annoying about tailwind. I just give it class, but no, it's not gonna pick it. It doesn't know, because obviously there's order and stuff. Because like usually, like, okay, whatever. I have 10 more minutes because I have an interview. Oh, good. Yeah, working. Okay, now it's working. Actually, stop. Actually, it's working. Undo last change. Okay, undo. Oh yeah, undo. Or am I undoing everything? Oh shit, I might be undoing everything. This is nice. Am I undoing everything? No, I think I just undone the last change. I think I like the way it looks. So let's just commit this. And let's just answer a couple of questions on chat. And I will go and be back later because I really enjoy that the part of my day, you know, just like talking to you guys, pre-programming, it's fun. And listening to folk music. If you have any folk music, just send it to me, I'll actually play it, I like it. Just must be royalty free, so I just have to, you know. Fix product. Form. Yeah, I think that's fixed. Is it? Let's just refresh it to last time and just make sure that it's fixed. Add product. Okay, select category. It doesn't see category. It has those. Good. It has categories. Suppliers. Ah, shit, in suppliers. Yeah, it works correctly in... Ah. Actually... working for customer. But not for supplier. Paste. Do same as customer. Thanks. Yeah, good. Live streaming. Third trigger. Okay, yeah. Oh, and now it's 50-50. Okay. Even despite me actually trying to convince you that it's actually just a badge, you're paying extra for the badge, then it's not really, it doesn't get to you. Oh yeah, go. Good, I like it. Okay. Yeah, nice. Add product. I could add product later. So yeah, the first task is done, and unfortunately I will have to bounce because there is an interview I have. And I don't know if I want to get it, to be honest. I don't really know if I need that job. But the thing is, like, I have to check. I like interviews actually. When you look for the job, go for every interview they invite you to. That's my last pro tip. Go to every interview, and you realize that, you know, so you will get warmed up, you will warm up, you will actually become better in interviewing. Also, you will get, like, some of the jobs that you actually think like they're shit, like you didn't really like the job title or the job description. Yeah, I'm from Poland. You know, job description and stuff, you might actually enjoy. So, like, my favorite jobs were actually things that I thought they would be shit. Like, my previous, not the current one, but the previous job was KMD, was like Danish company, and it was so fun. Like, so cool, such a cool people, so nice. I unfortunately left it, but it was so fun, and I actually, when I was being interviewed, I thought it's not gonna be good. I'm a student in Warsaw. Nice. Yeah, good to see you. What are you studying? Although I have to go in. Okay, I have 2 more minutes. Quickly, quick. Or just come back later. And I want to grab water as well. I want to grab some water. Computer engineering. Good choice, although I would just do computer engineering, not go to studies. But I did the same mistake. I went for university, and it was a waste of time. Because you can learn all of it. Vizia University. Sounds like something made up. I never heard of it. The thing is, like, if you want to do computer science, just do computer science. Just do like, I think like the best one is just networking. That's the best thing to do. Then programming at home, programming a project that people just need done, and finding those projects, and you can find them by networking, and then building them and talking about them. This is actually the most important. You talk about them. You don't, like, studying. I think it's you know, it's an old concept that was was popular many years ago and will be less and less. Studying like on university, like yeah, okay, but that's something I will actually maybe expand later, because I'm yeah, Visual University. I never heard of this one actually. Let's see. Visual University. Visual. Not very good. Not very good reviews there. Studia University, Visual and Studio. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't know. I hope it's actually good. I hope you like it. But as I'm saying, like for me, university is a waste of time. I've got the paper. Okay, I've got the paper in the end. Like I graduated from university like many years ago, like, 15 years ago, and like this year, it was first time I was asked to show the paper. The university paper. It was first time, like my degree document. They asked me for the first time. 15 years, like, and the only reason why they asked me, because I was going for, in Poland it's called umowa o pracę. It's like a type of contract, and they actually they are adding your university to your pension, basically. So my university years are actually added to my pension, and this is just like a requirement they have to do. Otherwise, it's not really okay. I will have to finish. Last look at the dancing girls. Let's see the ones dancing up high. So yeah, I have to finish. I will be back later because, but I have to speak to some guys, and like it's growing. Oh, it's so bad. I so hate to actually leave at such a nice moment. But yeah, see you guys later. Fun stream. I really enjoyed, and I managed to do like really proper work. So yeah, it was good to see you. See you later, and